Fresh milk begins with careful animal care and precise daily routines. Flow looks steady on this side. Healthy dairy cows produce the rich milk used for cheese. This group is feeding well today. Balanced feed directly influences milk quality, flavor, and protein content.
Add 50 pounds of alfalfa.
Clean bedding keeps dairy herds comfortable, healthy, and consistently productive. This section is ready for the evening group. Veteran farmers monitor every cow before the morning milking begins. Bring the first group forward slowly.
Modern ventilation protects cattle from heat stress during warm afternoons.
Increase fan speed in the west section. Fresh water remains essential for strong milk production throughout each day.
The reading is right where we need it. Milk quality starts with healthy udders and careful visual inspection.
Use a fresh towel for every cow.
Protein and butter fat determine how well milk forms firm cheese. Protein is holding above today's target.
Sanitized equipment prevents contamination before milk enter the cooling system.
Rinse temperature stable, flow rate nominal.
Conductivity is dropping into the safe range.
This one is clean and ready.
Gentle handling helps preserve natural milk structure and freshness longer. Tag matches the morning production group. Experienced workers check temperature before connecting every milking unit securely. Rapid chilling protects flavor while slowing unwanted bacterial growth immediately.
Outlet temperature is dropping on schedule.
Check butterfat, protein, and cell count.
Each milk sample reveals cleanliness, composition, and overall herd health. Skilled hands guide calm cows safely into the milking parlor.
Easy now. Bring them forward one row.
Automatic milking clusters collect milk gently without stressing the animals. Unit is seated evenly on all four.
Veteran operators watch flow meters for changes in milk output.
Check the liner position before flow drops further. Fresh milk moves through stainless lines directly toward refrigerated storage. Transfer pressure is holding steady. Morning lot is assigned to tank 3.
Every collection tank receives identification before transport scheduling begins daily.
Everything is sealed for the morning pickup. This batch is ready for collection. Careful dairy practices create the foundation for exceptional cheese production. Fresh milk is transferred carefully into sanitized collection tankers today. Keep the fitting covered until the tanker is ready. Every hose connection is inspected before loading begins at dawn. Compartment 2 is clean and assigned to this farm. Sterile sampling confirms each farm batch meets strict quality standards.
Match the sample code with today's transfer record.
Veteran drivers verify temperatures before sealing the refrigerated tanker compartments.
Temperature is stable and the seal record matches.
The vehicle, sample, and farm lot all match.
Accurate records preserve traceability from each dairy farm to factory. Flow is steady with no air entering the line.
Powerful pumps move chilled milk while preventing damaging air exposure.
Insulated tankers maintain safe temperatures throughout every transportation journey safely.
The wash cycle passed and the compartment is completely dry. Experienced drivers follow approved routes to protect milk freshness completely.
Approaching the scheduled volume.
Continuous monitoring alerts drivers whenever tanker temperatures change unexpectedly during transit.
The live temperature signal is coming through clearly.
Lane is clear for departure.
Sealed compartments prevent contamination while milk travels toward the cheese plant.
Receiving teams inspect seals before authorizing any milk transfer operations. All listed seals match the scheduled delivery. Certified scales record tanker weight before and after unloading accurately. Gross weight is stable and recorded. Sample identity matches the transport documents.
Incoming milk samples undergo rapid testing before acceptance into production.
Strict temperature checks protect cheese quality from the receiving dock onward. Temperature, composition, and cleanliness all meet receiving requirements.
Inline filters remove harmless particles before milk reaches processing tanks.
Pressure difference remains within the approved operating range.
Automated valves direct each accepted batch into assigned storage silos.
Route confirmed from receiving line to silo 4.
Farm lot and silo assignment remain correctly linked. Gentle agitation keeps milk composition uniform before cheese production starts. Final receiving checks confirm volume, temperature, and complete batch documentation.
Volume, temperature, sample results, and documents are fully reconciled.
Clarifier speed is stable and the feed pressure is correct.
Clarifiers remove microscopic impurities while preserving milk's valuable natural components.
Automatic discharge removes separated sediment without interrupting continuous milk processing. Discharge path is clear and the collection vessel is ready.
Butterfat is slightly above the target for this cheese.
Standardization balances fat and protein for consistent cheese production results.
The standardized fat ratio now matches the production formula.
Precise cream adjustment creates dependable texture in every finished cheese block. Balance tanks maintain uninterrupted flow through the upcoming heat treatment system.
Balance level is steady enough for continuous pasteurizer operation.
Pasteurization destroys harmful microorganisms while protecting essential cheesemaking properties carefully. Recorded temperature matches the independent instrument exactly.
Controlled holding time ensures every milk particle receives adequate treatment.
Flow remains slow enough to maintain the required holding period.
Rapid cooling prepares pasteurized milk for controlled culture addition afterward.
Outlet temperature is approaching the culture addition target.
Selected starter cultures develop acidity, aroma, and characteristic cheese flavor. Culture quantity matches the exact milk volume in vat 2.
Culture lot and vat identification are confirmed.
Cultures spread evenly as gentle agitation begins controlled milk acidification.
Gentle mixing distributes cultures without adding unwanted air to milk. Mixing is uniform and the temperature remains exactly on target. This reading confirms the culture is beginning its expected activity. Early acidity readings confirm cultures are working at the expected rate.
The rennet dose matches this vat's exact protein content.
Measured rennet triggers milk proteins to form a delicate gel.
Rennet addition begins now. Record the exact second.
Rennet enters the vat at precisely controlled speed and timing.
The vat must remain still while the curd structure develops.
Undisturbed milk slowly develops a uniform gel throughout the vat.
The break is clean and the whey separation looks correct.
Master cheesemakers test curd firmness before activating precision cutting equipment. Precision knives cut coagulated milk into evenly sized curd cubes. First pass is clean. Maintain the slow cutting speed.
Cube size remains consistent across the full vat.
Smaller curd cubes release whey faster and create firmer cheese.
Slow stirring prevents curd clumping and promotes uniform moisture loss.
Increase only slightly if the curds begin settling together.
Veteran cheesemakers track acidity as curds develop proper structure gradually. The acidity trend is matching the recipe's expected development curve.
The curds are firm and the whey is clearing properly.
Whey separation reveals firm curds ready for further processing stages.
Keep the curd bed even across the full draining surface.
Draining tables separate whey while preserving consistent curd texture throughout.
The mat is forming evenly with no thin sections.
Cheddaring mats knit curds together while acidity continues developing steadily. Skilled workers turn curd slabs to control moisture evenly throughout. Turn slowly so the slab stays intact.
Stacked curd slabs build texture through controlled pressure and time.
Center the stack so pressure remains even. Texture and acidity indicate the slabs are ready for milling. Acidity testing determines exactly when curd milling should begin safely.
Milling converts cheddared slabs into uniform pieces for salting next.
Milled pieces are uniform with no crushed curd.
Coverage is uniform from the left edge to the right.
Thorough mixing distributes salt evenly across every curd particle surface.
Resting salted curds allows moisture and flavor to stabilize evenly.
The salt is dissolving evenly without drying the curd.
Automated feeders deliver salted curds consistently toward block-forming equipment. Maintain an even supply so the forming tower stays full.
Vacuum treatment removes trapped air before curds enter forming towers.
Vacuum is building smoothly with no seal leakage.
Forming towers compress curds into dense, continuous cheese columns carefully.
The tower is filling evenly with stable column density.
Length and density are aligned for the target block weight.
Precision cutters divide cheese columns into identical production blocks reliably.
Fresh cheese blocks receive identification before entering pressing operations next.
Block weight is within the approved pressing range.
The block is centered and the drainage path is clear.
Uniform curd preparation ensures reliable pressing and consistent finished blocks.
All molds are centered and ready for the first pressure stage.
Hydraulic presses remove residual whey and create compact, uniform blocks.
Whey flow is slowing evenly across every mold position.
Controlled pressure stages prevent cracks while strengthening each cheese block.
Cooling stabilizes block structure before careful removal from pressing molds. Block temperature is dropping evenly without surface condensation.
The sides released cleanly with no sticking or tearing. Precise trimming creates clean edges and removes minor surface irregularities.
Surface moisture is decreasing without forming a dry outer skin. Surface drying prepares fresh cheese blocks for comprehensive quality inspection. Inspectors examine every block for cracks, moisture, and shape consistency. All 6 surfaces are smooth, intact, and evenly formed.
Digital measurements verify length, width, height, and dimensional uniformity precisely. Every dimension remains inside the approved tolerance range.
This block meets the target without requiring any adjustment.
Accurate weighing confirms each block meets its required commercial specification.
Metal detection protects consumers by identifying unwanted metallic contamination immediately.
Sensitivity has been confirmed for all required metal types.
X-ray systems reveal hidden density variations without damaging finished cheese.
Internal density appears uniform from the center to every edge.
Color remains even with no dark or pale sections. Experienced inspectors compare block color against approved production reference standards.
Surface sampling checks sanitation before blocks advance toward packaging operations.
Sample location, time, and production lot are fully recorded. Firmness matches the reference range for this production stage.
Gentle compression testing confirms firmness remains consistent throughout every batch.
Every ingredient, process setting, and inspection result is connected.
Traceability reviews connect each cheese block to complete production records.
All required inspections meet the approved cheese block specifications. Final quality release requires every inspection result to meet specifications.
Laboratory technicians measure moisture to predict texture and storage performance. The sample represents the center and outer section equally. This result will confirm both flavor balance and preservation control.
Salt analysis confirms balanced flavor and proper preservation within cheese.
Acidity testing verifies fermentation developed safely and consistently during production. The finished acidity matches the expected fermentation development.
Prepare the required hygiene and safety tests from this sample.
Microbiological testing confirms hygienic production and safe finished cheese quality.
Texture is firm, flavor is clean, and salt remains balanced. Sensory panels evaluate aroma, texture, flavor, and overall batch consistency. Every laboratory result is complete and linked to this production lot. Final laboratory approvals release cheese blocks for packaging preparation and handling. Controlled surface conditioning improves package seals and protects cheese quality.
Surface temperature is even, and no condensation is forming.
Automated scanners verify every approved block before packaging operations begin.
Identification matches the correct film, label, and case format.
Previous materials are removed and every contact surface is sanitized. Thorough line clearance prevents contamination and packaging material mix-ups completely. Packaging begins only after product, equipment, and materials receive approval.
Product, packaging, and electronic specifications all match this lot. Film specification and traceability match the assigned cheese block format.
Barrier film protects cheese from oxygen, moisture loss, and contamination.
Pouch width and seal position remain exactly within specification.
The bag is fully open and the block is centered.
Automatic loaders place each block inside protective film without damage.
Pressure is decreasing smoothly with no evidence of leakage. Vacuum chambers remove air that could reduce packaged cheese freshness.
Heat sealing creates airtight closures that protect freshness during storage. Temperature and pressure remain balanced across the entire seal width.
Cooling stabilizes fresh seals before packages leave the vacuum chamber.
Seal cooling time is complete, and the bond remains undistorted.
Both seal lines are continuous with no detectable leakage. Seal inspections detect channels, wrinkles, contamination, or weak package closures.
Verified labels provide ingredients, storage guidance, weight, and traceability information.
Product details, lot information, and storage instructions are correct.
Automatic applicators position every label accurately on sealed cheese packages.
Label placement is centered and clear of every package seal.
Every character is complete, readable, and assigned to this lot. Date coding connects every package with its exact production history.
Barcode data and printed details match the released batch exactly.
Optical systems confirm barcodes, printed codes, and label information match.
Final check weighing confirms correct product quantity after packaging materials are applied.
Final packaged weight agrees with the earlier block measurement.
All required detection sensitivities must be verified during this production run.
Case erectors prepare strong shipping boxes for protected cheese packages. Case dimensions and strength match the approved package count.
Package count and orientation match the approved loading diagram.
Gentle case packing protects sealed blocks throughout warehouse and distribution handling.
Sealed shipping cases protect cheese packages from damage during handling. The package count is correct, and every top flap is aligned.
Case labels preserve product identity throughout storage and nationwide distribution.
Case description, lot number, and refrigerated handling instructions are correct.
Printed information and encoded barcode data agree completely.
Readable barcodes connect every case with complete digital traceability records.
Final case inspections verify count, weight, sealing, and package protection. Count, weight, dimensions, and sealing all meet the shipping specification. Stable pallets organize finished cheese safely for refrigerated warehouse movement. Case alignment and overhang remain within the approved pallet pattern.
Temperature, pallet identity, and case count are all confirmed.
Refrigerated warehouses maintain cheese quality through precise temperature control continuously. Experienced forklift operators position pallets carefully within high storage racks. Rack position is clear, and the pallet remains centered.
The oldest released lot is scheduled to ship first. Careful stock rotation ships older approved lots before newer production. Every pallet is intact, released, and assigned to the correct route.
Pre-shipment checks confirm product, quantity, destination, and cold chain readiness completely. Pre-cooling brings trailers to safe temperatures before loading begins promptly. Supply and return temperatures are approaching the approved loading range.
All pallets are secured and every logistics label remains visible.
Load restraints prevent pallet movement while security seals preserve integrity. Distribution centers verify seals, temperatures, and product condition upon arrival.
Transit temperatures remain stable for the entire route.
All cases match today's grocery and food service delivery schedule.
Refrigerated delivery vehicles carry cheese to stores and food service customers.